Good morning, children. Hello, my children. How are you today? And you all can answer. And you all can answer. Well, children, now we must show each other respect. Well, that's okay, children. It is a get-to-know-you day after all. Enjoy the sun. Enjoy the fog. I'm so happy to be here. And if there's sadness, that will be okay, for the sun is shining on us this